In this video, I'll show you how to add a title using the graphics template in Premiere Pro and how to fade the title in and fade the title out. Let's add a title at the beginning of our video. On the right side of Premiere Pro, there should be Graphics Template. If that's not here, go to Window drop-down and click on Graphics Templates. My favorite one is the second one down, Basic Lower Third Center. Click on it and drag it to the timeline and drop it in. Let's drag it all the way to the left side over here, and you'll see the title on the bottom. Double click on the word title, and you can write your title. Mine's going to be called Journey. I'm going to double click on the subtitle and delete it. Select anywhere on the timeline to deselect. I'm going to zoom in on the timeline, and I want my title to fade in and fade out. The easiest way to do that in Premiere Pro is select the track, go to the end of the track where you see a red arrow, right-click on it, and click Apply Default Transitions. And we'll do that on the left side too. Make sure to see that red arrow, right-click, and Apply Default Transitions. This will fade in and fade out the title. Press a spacebar or press the play button to play it. Now, if you want to move it, get the Move tool, click on the text, and then you can move it around. You could also make it bigger.